If you're an avid juicer, you probably find yourself wasting, yes, wasting tons of juice pulp every single day. Since April is Earth Month, we've brought in the co-founder of Greenhouse Juice, Emma Knight, to share some delicious, creative, and simple ways to use leftover juice pulp. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So I was really glad we were doing this because I remember about 10 years ago, I bought a juicer off the television, and it was a big infomercial, and the narrative that they were feeding me and all the other consumers was, you don't want the pulp. The pulp is the waste. The real value in any sort of fruit and vegetables is the juice. And so to do this and find real uses for it is, I think, important.
Yes, you've got to use the whole carrot now, right?
Yeah.
Waste not, want not.
Okay, so let's start with something, well, it's a burger that I don't typically eat, but I want to see what we're doing here.
Okay, so we're calling this the Good Burger.
Okay.
Because it uses fiber from our favorite savory green juice, the Good. So the Good contains romaine, spinach, cucumber, celery, lemon, and a pinch of Himalayan salt.
Okay.
Very crisp. So this is the delicious fiber.
So that's what's left over.
That's what's left over once it's gone through your juicer. Yeah, exactly. So you put that in a bowl.
And for people who are at home saying, well, but what do I need that's in here?
Oh, you need everything that's in here. So the nutrients, well, in the juice, you're getting a lot vitamin A, vitamin C. You're also getting a lot of chlorophyll. And then the fiber is fantastic for ensuring that your life is smooth.
All right, can I help with any of this?
Yes.
Okay.
So these are cannellini beans, which are an excellent source of fiber and protein as well. Okay. It's like a white kidney bean.
And it looks like it's sort of a binding agent, too.
Yes, that's a binding agent. And then the other binding agent here is a flax egg.
A flax egg?
A flax egg.
What's a flax egg?
So if you use 1 tablespoon of ground flax with 2.5 tablespoons of water, let it sit for 5 minutes, whisk it up,
It'll have the same consistency as an egg?
Very similar.
Really?
So
okay.
it'll bind. Yeah, exactly.
All right.
And you're getting some great omega-3s.
All right.
And then here we have some parsley and cilantro. And then, would you like to do the honors with the garlic?
Yes, indeed. All the good stuff, too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
all the flavor.
And that's the thing. When it comes to making burgers that don't have meat in them, it's about adding as much flavor and texture as you possibly can. Right. What do we have here?
So here we have just a little bit of, that's the rest of the flax for the eggs, so we're good on that.
Okay.
We're good on that.
This one?
Pinch of, that's cayenne. Okay. Depending on how much spice you like.
I'll throw in a little more.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Some pepper, same thing?
Yeah, just a pinch of pepper, a pinch of Himalayan salt, some green onion.
All right.
And then we've got a couple here that are sizzling, if you'd like to do a little
and then so then we just mix this together and we end up with these.
Up.
Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around. Is it? Okay, I don't wanna. There we go.
There you go, yeah. So about 6 minutes on each side.
Yeah, so these have not been on that long, but they'll end up, I guess, looking like this.
Exactly.
All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this,
okay,
all right?
Good, yes. We've got lots of sprouts, some avocado, some tomato, tahini dressing.
All right, here we go. That's not bad. Not bad at all.
So if you just substitute plants for meat once a week even, it's an amazing way to reduce your footprint. And it's delicious.
The crisp on the outside is really good, too.
Good.
That's really good. No, that's very good. That is very good. Oh, and the spice is good, too. I just got that, too. All right.
Amazing.
Let's go to something I'm a little more familiar with.
Okay.
My blender. I'm making smoothies and that sort of thing. So what are we going to make here?
So have you made a smoothie bowl before?
I've had a smoothie bowl. I've never made a smoothie bowl.
Okay, so smoothie bowl is just a smoothie that's a little bit thicker.
Okay.
And one really cool way to make a smoothie thicker is by adding frozen juice fiber. So you can just put it in an ice cube tray, pop it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Every time you go to make a smoothie, you have this.
Smart.
It's really clever,
That's
right?
really, really smart. Oh, wow. Okay, so and what did you make these ones with?
So this is deep roots. Okay. Beet, carrot, apple, celery, and lemon. It's a really nice, balanced, smooth, root-based juice.
And so to show me how you make this.
Okay, so believe it or not, in the bottom there is cauliflower. So it's first steamed and then frozen. It makes an amazing base for a smoothie. Yeah,
cauliflower in the past few years has really, I don't know, stepped into the spotlight.
It's the age of cauliflower.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, so show me how we make this one.
So we've got frozen cauliflower, frozen peaches, frozen strawberries, some dates, some lemon, a little bit of hemp. Okay. Blend it all together with a couple of ice cubes and some nut milk. Okay. So Greenhouse actually just released this amazing clean label nut milk, so we add that in.
And we only have a few seconds left, so I want to get to everything. So it ends up being this?
Top it with whatever beautiful ingredients
this?
you have on hand. Yes.
Okay. That's what's in there?
That's what's in there.
Oh, that's really good.
Lots of veggies.
Oh, fantastic. And then lastly, what do we have over here?
So this is a body scrub made from Gold Rush fiber.
That's really cool. That is something I would not have thought of. So how do you make it?
So Gold Rush fiber, some honey, some raw cane sugar, a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, mix it all up in a mason jar, and voila.
I got to tell you, you've surprised me quite a bit in this kitchen today. Thank you very much for coming in. I appreciate it. And all 3 of these recipes are up on our website, yourmorning.ca. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.